how to get eSIM on your phone. First, go to Vodafone.co.uk and check if your phone is eSIM compatible. When you sign up for your payment for SIM only, be sure to check eSIM in your shopping cart. On iPhone, in Settings, tap Mobile Data, add eSIM, use QR code. On our Oppo Android, we go to Settings, Mobile Network, eSIM and Enable Download. Then tap Add eSIM. On other Android phones, search in Settings for SIM, then follow your search results. When you order your eSIM, you'll be sent a QR code. Scan this to add your new eSIM to your phone. You'll have to download your new Vodafone network settings and restart your phone. Then, you're good to go with eSIM.